Hello guys, welcome to another video. First sign up in the download link in the description. This is how it looks like. I have already used this app before. As you can see, I've played lots of games and got lots of points. You can choose any game then play it to earn points. Plenty to choose from. Here you can search games. Here are the payment methods including Amazon, Google Play gift card, and it depends on your country. Lots of countries have lots of different payment methods. You can also talk to people in chat groups, and some have miss codes that you can redeem to get some points. As you can see, he was able to earn points and get enough for an Amazon gift card and a $5 Google Play gift card. I will now show you payment proof of the 2 gift cards I earned in this app.